It's got Have a Little Talk with Jesus, Long Black Train, Because He Lives, Rocks. Hello guys, I'm Jules.
And I'm whatever she calls me.
Johnny.
Johnny.
Yeah, and we are the Parsons RV Journey. And we thought we would come. Yes, we've been doing a lot of coffee talks lately, but we're going to do another one.
Yeah.
Because we've got some exciting news. Now this is not the big news. This is not the big announcement, right?
Yeah.
But we will be coming back very soon. Like the next video you see is probably going to be the big news. So
Right.
be watching. Be watching. But this time though, we just wanted to share with you guys. We've actually been in town in Griffin, Georgia for the past week or two.
Yeah.
And we're leaving.
We visited a good church down here in Sunnyside, Georgia today.
Yep.
On our downtime, and we went to Wendy's.
Yeah. We actually had a day off on Sunday.
You know,
Which is
that's
really
a good
cool.
thing there Wendy's does.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it was
That's
pretty
a
cool.
good thing. They adopt Dave. That
They support adoption.
Dave does, or used to adopt kids, right? He adopted some kids.
No, he was adopted. I knew that.
And yeah, they do that
Yep.
face it thing. And you see Wendy don't have a face there.
Because if it wasn't for adoption, there would be no Wendy.
No Wendy.
Yeah.
So I think that's awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. That's God's
Which we're
heart.
not adopting any kids.
No, please don't get
'Cause
that idea.
we'd have to have a great big bus for that.
Right, right. So don't think that's what it's about. So anyway, but we just wanted to share with you guys that we've got our new CD. We've been waiting for a while on this project, and we just wanted to share it with you. The Parsons Redeemed, Breaking Through. It's got Have a Little Talk with Jesus, Long Black Train, Because He Lives, Rocks, Oh Lord You're Beautiful, Are You Washed, I'll Fly Away, Me and God, and God Bless the USA. I'm reading backwards. I read backwards pretty good.
There's quite a few songs there. So.
Yeah, so anyway, God really blessed us back when we won the contest. And so we were able to make this new CD, and we're just so thankful. We're going to let you guys hear just a second of it because of copyright issues, but we'll play just a little bit of it for you. Hold on.
I am a poor, wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world of woe. There's no sickness.
Next.
Well, I once was lost and sick.
Well, I think it got messed up there, so.
Don't need a combination to see it all. Now raise your hand if you ain't ever done nothing wrong. That's what I thought. Rocks are heavy.
Lord, you're beautiful.
Okay, so anyway, we gave you a little bitty sample, and if you would like to order that CD, you can contact me. We also have a PayPal. I'll put it down in the comments, and I'll also put it on the screen down below here. It's PayPal.me /
PayPal.me.
PayPal.me / the Parsons Redeemed. So anyway, it's the CD is $15 if I can hand it to you, $20 if I need to ship it to you. So there you have it. And if you would like to book the Parsons Redeemed, you can contact me for that also. We're actually booking for next year. We are hoping to be down in Florida in January, deep in Florida, hopefully somewhere, because we don't want to be up here in the cold. And so, but we really want to expand next year and go to Texas. We would love to go to Arizona some and Texas and go out west a little bit more. So if you're out west and would like the Parsons Redeemed to come, hit me up because we're scheduling for next year. So anyway, did you want to say something?
No, you were doing just fine.
Well, anyway, so that's our exciting news right now, is that our CDs are back, and we just shipped about 80 of them the other day. Spent about 2 hours total at the post office, something like that. Lady was very patient with us, and we actually gave her a CD because she was so patient, and put us to work while we were there. But anyway, so that's our news right now, but we've got some huge news that's going to affect our RV channel.
Amen.
It's gonna be really exciting for you guys as well, I think. It's just gonna be really good.
Praise God.
And it's coming up this week. We're gonna be going to Ohio. We're gonna be singing next weekend in Ohio, and then the next weekend we will be in North Carolina. We're gonna be I think it's Princeton, North Carolina, and that's over toward the coast. So we're going to be deep into North Carolina. So anyway, and then we'll be local again first couple weeks of July. And there's good reason for that. It has to do with our big surprise. But we should be getting on here in the next video, giving you guys a heads up on what's going on. So anyway, be praying for us because we've got a lot of decisions to make. And we have just a lot of things coming up. And God is good.
That's right.
God is good.
That's
So anyway, if you follow us, we appreciate it. And if you'll share this video and give us thumbs up. If you will like and subscribe to our channel, we would really appreciate that, because a lot of our views actually come from people who have not subscribed to our channel. So if you're watching me right now and you have not subscribed to us, we would really appreciate the subscribe.
We sure would.
Yes.
And we appreciate you and we love you.
Yes.
Even if you don't subscribe.
That's right. We love you. Yes. Just watch us, and God bless you. We just love you guys so much out there.
Amen.
So be watching our channel because we got big news.
That's
and
right.
we can't wait to let you guys in on it.
That's right. And if you're still breathing,
There's still hope.